प्रियांक, आप बोलते हो कि आप ना ही सिर्फ एक डांसर हो बल्कि आप एक एक्टर भी हो, एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम आप सिर्फ एक एक्टर नहीं हो, आप एक डांसर भी हो.
एक्टिंग में अब मुझे सिर्फ जबान साथ में चलानी पड़ती है, obviously, like, you know, but at the same time, like, I say it that dancers are 50% actors.
So do you think it's a 2.0 version of your career?
And I was dying to play more matured roles, and I was stuck in this young husband, young father, young this, that, a sweet, nice guy. बहुत हो गया था.
You still reach out to directors after so many years of experience, you know, and it's absolutely no problem for you to reach out to directors.
अरे रुशाद राणा तो आजकल डेली सोप कर रहा है, उसके पास तो डेट्स ही नहीं होगी, उसे अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. अरे आपको कैसे पता मैं डेली सोप को 5 दिन दे रहा हूँ, 6 दिन दे रहा हूँ, या जैसे कि अभी मैं अनुपमा कर रहा हूँ, आई शूट 1 day in a month. Hi Suki.
So I will go with Sameer sir, because video start hote hi I was like head over heels, super entertained. So Sameer sir, there's this thing, you know, which I also personally feel is that, you know, there are many characters. For example, Akshay Kumar, you know, who says that, you know, he may have done a lot of work, but the kind of roles that he's doing now, he's extremely proud of. And same goes for you. You are doing some amazing roles of late. So do you think it's a 2.0 version of your career? And which one is your most favorite role till now?
Yeah, this is actually, I kind of call it the second innings, the one I've been waiting for a long time, because for the longest time I was stuck in between. And I was dying to play more matured roles, and I was stuck in this young husband, young father, young this, that, a sweet, nice guy. बहुत हो गया था. And I was waiting for something, you know, more that can show a different aspect of my personality. Luckily, they all came at the same time. I mean, the Mumbai Saga, in which again I play like a bad guy. And then in Big Bull with Abhishek again, which started actually, honestly, this whole thing started with Punch Beat. So yeah, I'm loving it, because earlier it was just about how you look. Now finally it's about what you can do. And yeah, I'm very, very happy.
Which is your favorite role you've played in?
Honestly, this character is my favorite, and some of the scenes I've done with Priyanka are like, I put them on my show reel. I mean, they're that cool.
Yeah, actually,
it's just fab. I mean,
I saw one of the scenes of us where you're walking. अच्छा, हमने साथ में ही तो देखा था सर, जब मैं आपके पीछे चल रहा हूँ, है ना, जिसमें मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
It's just, I mean, I love every bit of this character, and it's definitely my favorite. And I think it's working with, you know, the people you work with that brings out the best in you. I think that's what I think I like to add about the show also about the casting, is that everyone is so perfectly positioned that no one's trying to outdo, outshadow, nothing.
Yeah.
And the better the other person is, the more you are better. So everybody raises your level of performance. So I think we got a beautiful, lovely, talented team. And yes, this is definitely the most exciting character. And I wish there's season 4 and 5, and I wish Rajbir gets more and more evil.
God bless Rahat. God bless Rahat. Maya to specially Rahat. And then
I'm there to protect you, na Rahat.
Oh, thank you. He's here.
I think
My coach is here.
In this show, I think in every scene I've either broken something, or screamed at someone, or abused someone. Glass तोड़ दिया. So I think एक दो बार I think Nikki के ऊपर भी थोड़ा आ गया था. So but fun. I know.
Yeah, he showered me with love in many ways.
No, really, from the bottom of my heart, this is the most exciting role I could have ever played, and the most exciting people I worked with. Really, they're really lovely. They're special to me.
Lovely. My next question is for Nikki. I know you're staying in London, and you're very obviously with your family and very happy, in a very happy space. Now that you're coming to OTT, there are a lot of, and you're playing this very, very dignified lady in this Punch Beat, and and your character looks very dignified. You know, the way you carry yourself, the way you dress, everything looks super dignified. And even like many of us look up to carrying ourselves like how Nikki does it in Punch Beat.
Wow.
So I would want to know, are there any other roles in OTT which you would like to look forward to? जिसके लिए आप अपना family 3 महीने के लिए छोड़ के आप आएंगे और 3-4 महीने के लिए आके आप ऐसा रोल करेंगे. Is there any other role which you really look forward to in OTT?
Well, yeah, I am. I'm doing a character called Happy Auntie, which is completely contrast to my character in Punchbeat. It is in my show Never Kiss Your Best Friend.
Yeah.
So
Happy Auntie.
yeah, I'm
Nikki,
playing.
what
Hanji.
kind of stuff are you doing here?
Well, which kind of happy is in your dirty head, buddy?
Happy Auntie, हमको भी मिलना है Happy Auntie से।
हमारा शो भी पीजी है, हमारी इंटरव्यूज भी पीजी है। So
Nikhil, we are not here.
I know, right? No, so I'm playing this character which I never thought I would. Sorry.
Sorry, no, sorry, ma.
नहीं, बोल ना बच्चा, we're all
नहीं, nothing. Sorry, we don't want to cut you. Sorry, it was between me and Nikhil.
Raat is a happy boy.
So yeah, I've done
Yeah.
Happy Auntie to Never Kiss Your Best Friend, and I never thought I could do it, but my director was extremely excited that I do it, and he convinced me that I have to play this very loud, brash Punjaban who has zero etiquette. Class तो मतलब बहुत दूर की बात है. So I personally could not resonate with that, and I was like, obviously as an actor I thought great challenge, but आपकी जो reservations होती हैं, I put it all out in front of my director and I said, sir, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ये सुर पकड़ने के लिए, because मैं रियल लाइफ में ऐसे अबे किथे चल रहा है तू अच्छे, you know, even doing this for this 2 seconds for me is like, it's like an out of body experience. But I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I worked with Nakul and Anya Singh, and it was amazing. The other kind of roles I would like to do, I thankfully are coming my way. There are some roles which I'd like to do, I don't get cast for because of the stereotype that I'm extremely elegant and I cannot look, in their words, मैं गरीब नहीं लग सकती. And I just feel that is such a slap on my caliber as an actor. Because anyway, that could be another conversation another time, but आपके सवाल का जवाब ये है कि I just, as an actor, don't like it when you are put in a box.
Yeah.
I have been here, I've been around for almost 28 years now as an actor, and मैंने जितने roles किए हैं, उसके बाद अगर आप मुझे कहते हो कि नहीं आप पर ये ठीक नहीं लगेगा, so I would always say, excuse me, I beg to differ. But yeah, I'm loving what I'm doing as of now, and I'm glad.
Lovely. Okay, my last question is for Priyank. So Priyank, आप बोलते हो कि आप ना ही सिर्फ एक dancer हो, बल्कि आप एक actor भी हो, and then at the same time आप सिर्फ एक actor नहीं हो, आप एक dancer भी हो. So do you really think that being a dancer has helped you shape or get better roles as an actor, especially being a dancer and being so fit has helped you in these action sequences in Punchbeat?
Definitely. So I would like to say that dancing से मुझे कोई character को approach करने में फायदा नहीं हुआ है. Dancing as an art form से मुझे सीखने में वो art form को अगर मैं authentic basis पे बात करूँ तो उससे बहुत फायदा हुआ है, because dancers has this beautiful ability to not use their lip syncing नहीं करते. तो अगर जो proper dancers होते हैं जो हम dance करते हैं तो हम we make sure that जब आप हमें थिएटर में डांस करते हुए देखेंगे या फिर हमें स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हुए देखेंगे, हम लिप सिंक नहीं करेंगे, हमारी बॉडी बहुत कुछ बोलेगी, बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट मूवमेंट, एंड हमारा फेस और आईज बहुत एक्सप्रेस करते हैं जब हम परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. तो वी डोंट नीड टू एक्चुअली यूज आवर माउथ टू एक्सप्रेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू डांसिंग, एंड दैट हैज ब्यूटीफुली हेल्प्ड मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिंग, बिकॉज एक्टिंग में मुझे सिर्फ जबान साथ में चलानी पड़ती है, ऑब्वियसली बट एट द सेम टाइम I say it that dancers are 50% actors, 50% athletes, because they know this game already of expressions and the feelings, because they already have it. Now, talking about me being a professional dancer, helping me in the fighting sequences, yes, because again, it's movement. Dancing is movement. Learning fighting is just about movement. So if you're very much interested into this movement, entire thing, and if you like choreographies, then for you, adapting the skill of fighting is comparatively easier than the rest of the world when it starts. So yes, it definitely helped me, and how a lot. So yeah, this is what I just want to say.
All the best for Punchbeat, guys.
Thank
Love
you,
the
Surbhi. Thank
trailer.
you.
Absolutely loving all your looks. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surbhi.
Go for it, Surbhi. Go for it. We are back.
Especially me.
Yo, you're back.
So Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This
Yeah,
is Ekta Ma'am's
Should be
serial. It's a
season
double
2.
role.
yeah, season 2.
Hey, long time no see, Surbhi.
No, this is Ekta Ma'am's serial. It's a double role.
Absolutely,
Hey.
bang on.
Be careful what you say.
This is being recorded. Yeah.
Okay, so my next question is for Rushad. First of all, I'm absolutely loving your interviews of late, and I love reading and seeing you talk in your interviews. So my question is that you said in a very candid way that you still reach out to directors after so many years of experience, and it's absolutely no problem for you to reach out to directors. I would like to ask, how does it, honestly tell me, how does it feel to still chase people for work? And, what is that one great role which you think you could have done very well, but then somehow you missed that opportunity?
Well, you asked 2-3 questions in one question, so I'll take it part by part. Well, I don't feel any shame in approaching casting directors for work. So the way my career has always gone, for a lot of actors, it's always been in phases. There are phases when we have so much work कि हमें मना करना पड़ता है. There are phases when there is absolutely no work where we have to reach out to casting directors. Plus actors के साथ क्या होता है? A lot of the work that gets lost from us is because of perception. समीर सोनी जी तो बहुत महंगे होंगे, उनको अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. निकी मैम लंदन में रहती है, अरे वो कैसे आ पाएंगी, उनको अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. अरे रुशाद राणा तो आजकल डेली सोप कर रहा है, उसके पास तो डेट्स ही नहीं होगी, उसे अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. अरे आपको कैसे पता मैं डेली सोप को 5 दिन दे रहा हूँ, 6 दिन दे रहा हूँ, या जैसे कि अभी मैं अनुपमा कर रहा हूँ, I shoot 1 day in a month. So people tell me, आजकल तो बहुत बिजी है, छाया हुआ है, टीवी पे अनुपमा कर रहा है. अरे भाई मैं 1 दिन के लिए शूट करता हूँ जाके. So
Rushad sir, beautiful.
Very
Beautifully
well
said.
said.
Beautifully said.
And now taking a step ahead wherein I don't need to approach casting directors. I have appointed our very lovely Nikita Bhambani as our manager.
Don't Nibam!
Thanks to Nikki ma'am and Nikhil and Samir sir's encouragement, I have got her on board. Wherein I have that hope and that assurity that a lot of parts are not going to go away because of some perception attached. कि ये ऐसा होगा, ये वैसा होगा. What was the other question you asked? इसके बाद?
So what is that one big role which you think you could have done, you would have been the best in, but then somehow you lost the opportunity?
Actually, I don't remember that one particular role, but I said I was off TV for 3 years because I was focusing on 2 films which were in my kitty, which were very, very promising, which I thought would help me make that jump from TV to films, which I think a lot of us actors aspire to do. तो उस 3 साल के पीरियड में मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम टीवी पे मैंने जाने दिया. I don't even remember now what those projects were. So it could have been any of those roles which I feel that I could have done and which I could have done well, and I couldn't do them because of that 3-year time period that I was not doing work, not doing TV per se. So yeah, there's not that one particular role, but that entire span of 3 years, which I feel I lost out on a lot of good projects.
Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you more and more good work and luck for future.
Thank you so much.
So my next question is for Nikhil. Nikhil, you and Priyank share some great chemistry on screen, and like especially in the show and off screen as well. How has your bond been with Priyank off screen? And what are the 3 takeaways which you would like to take from this show?
They're still dating each other.
Oops.
I love the question.
Chemistry.
Okay, so talking about chemistry, biology, and physics and all of that between us.
Geography also.
Geography also. There's everything except history. There is no history.
No, we reach out to places also, no, in geography, Nick. We reach out to the places.
And make our graphs. Anyway, but getting back to your question, our chemistry on screen and off screen is fab. The only sad part is that on screen we have to hold up on our censorship.
Yeah. Exactly.
because on screen we are playing characters and we are not Pri and Nick. But if you really want to know a lot, you should meet us in person.
Yeah, man. I like me and Nick have been waiting. Like, if we can use actually this off-screen bond we have,
We have
somewhere
like
in the show.
two, three really
Yeah.
cool things that we do amongst us, and if we can like
We'll keep it
somehow,
for the shows. Yeah, we'll keep it. We'll keep it for the shows.
yeah. So yeah, it's been great. It's great. And you know what I really love when I work with Pri as an actor is that we feed off each other's energies.
Oh yeah.
We feed off each other's energies. So it's more like when I drop somewhere, he picks it up.
We
from
take it
there,
up.
and
Yeah,
when
yeah,
he drops
that's
it, I pick it up from there. So we've got some great
Oh, yeah.
energies we feed off each other.
Mm.
So we'll just leave it at energies for now.
Y'all
I remember, Nick. You remember that one emotional scene also of yours when you were like shooting and like everybody was scattered because it was
Correct.
the set.
Correct.
And I remember like looking at just Nick because I know he's too much. Like it was his, scene out there. So I knew that he's there in a zone and like somebody has to be there, with him because everything is scattered and you can't blame anybody because there's so many people working. Everybody is like, figuring their own stuff during the set once the scene is on, and especially when so many people and children, we all coming together. It's actually a,
It's a madhouse.
It
a
becomes a madhouse.
Like we really
So-
need Maya on set even if Maya's not
Yeah,
shooting.
actually.
Maya, aa jao, chup kar jao, sab kuch chup
Actually,
kar
yeah.
jao.
So that everybody is, whenever the Sameer sir is there, Nikki is there, or maybe Rushad sir is there, everybody just like, we are just quiet. A different version altogether of
Yeah,
all
we
of us.
should tell them. So
Serious
there's-
versions of all of us.
There's this scene in the common room area, okay? I cannot say more about it, but there's this scene, okay? And there are two scenes in that. One was with all the kids and one was with the kids and the adults like Rajveer, Maya, Rana,
Yeah.
and the new cast who've been added. Even they.
Added.
Our scene took more than 3.5 hours. I'm not exaggerating. Ask me.
Yeah.
When the elders came into the scene, 40 minutes we wrapped up the scene.
Yeah.
I was just like, dude, we kids take forever. These adults, they take 1 or 2 takes to wrap it up, and then we just like, dude, we
Finish
took
it.
3
No, that's
hours.
because हमारे close-ups
That
नहीं
was
कटे
because
थे।
we had an early pack-up time here.
No, हमारे close-ups नहीं कटे थे।
कह रहे हैं हमारे close-ups नहीं करते।
तेरे को घर जाना था यार.
Rushad
Sorry.
sir, killing it. Savage.
Sorry यार.
Savage.
Rushad sir ने हमारे
He's like, हमारे close-up नहीं है.
Survi, what did you notice about Pri and Nikhil's chemistry? This is a very sweet question, by the way, because these two are like inseparable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Pri and Nikhil share something really special,
Yeah.
There's something that when they're together, there's something in their eyes that happens. And
Yeah,
if
it's
you're
called
around,
Shitani.
you can
It is
feel
called
it.
Shitani.
Eyes, the
Shitani?
nose, the lips.
Oh, okay, acha, you were wrong the other way. Sorry.
It's the neck, it's the
The
chest,
chest.
everything.
Pri,
But
calm
it's
down.
the
Control
chemistry-
yourself, Pri.
Sorry.
Chemistry is sizzling.
Yeah.
Understanding, right?
We are just the sizzling brownie with the cold vanilla ice cream on it.
तो ये interview पंचवीर के लिए हो रहा है, Triple X के लिए नहीं हो रहा है।
मैं बता तो रही हूँ कि हमारा इंटरव्यू भी पीजी है. Chill करो थोड़ा.
No, but really, they have a special chemistry,
Yeah, but jokes apart, it's beautiful when you have a chemistry like this with your co-star, even off screen.
I wish I had that chemistry with Nikki. I don't have chemistry with Nikki.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी. I have no comment.
We'll just leave it at that. Moving on.
Oh,
Yeah,
physics,
moving on. Let's get a little serious now comparatively. And
Serious?
no tricky.
right? क्या बोल रही है यार?
लेकिन क्यों?
A little
Serious?
serious because it's a serious question right now.
Oh,
Serious question is for the seniors. Seniors as mentioned by Priyank and Nikhil. It's for Sameer, Rashad, and Nikki. Is that you are some of the most experienced actors in this lot, at least. Okay, and do you think OTT is the next theater? Like a lot of actors in the OTT, especially thanks to OTT, a lot of actors have revived. We've managed to see a lot of them after a lot of time, after a great amount of time. So do you think it's going to remain the same after things get normal, or OTT is going to be the next theater, or are we going to see those actors in Bollywood?
Nikki, you want to go?
No, go for it, Sam, because I think all of us are going to be on the same page.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
I-
true
I
that
think-
actually.
I think OTT is still here to stay. It's not going
Yeah.
anywhere. And
Yeah.
what's going to happen worldwide is that the largest screen is going to be for films that are more spectacular, which need a giant screen. It's more of an experience of people going together. OTT gives you more of an intimate experience. So there will be definitely the projects that will be made for OTT, which is not going to change. I think they're going to increase.
Yeah.
I think because everyone wants their own privacy, watch what they want to watch when they want to watch. So theater is just going to be more of a picnic, everybody getting together, or unless it's like a Iron Man 23 being made or something like that. So it's here to stay. It's here to stay.
Yeah.
Nikki, yours.
Yeah, and
Thanks.
just to answer your second section of the question was that I don't think as actors we are limited to a platform. So if
Yeah.
there's an OTT and there's a theater and there's TV, we will be everywhere. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि
Yeah.
will it damage our time? Will we only be taken on OTT and not on cinema? I don't think so. I don't think so. So
I think if you're talking in terms of actors per se, I think the good thing about OTT is that for theater, there's a lot of expenses that are incurred to promote a film. Therefore, you will have the initial of a film is very important. So the bigger the actor name-wise, the bigger the initial they hope. But OTT is totally content-based. It's not really
Yeah.
based on who's doing what. If it's good, it's good. If it can, get you to binge watch, even like Punch Beat, it's, that's it. You don't need stars and stuff. But theaters are still handicapped in that they need a big star to make people get out of their rooms and houses and spend that $500, $200 buy a ticket. So
Yeah.
I think OTT is more content based, and that's fabulous for actors like us who hopefully have some talent.
I absolutely agree. Thank you so much. All the best. And again, thank you so much.
Surabhi, are you coming again though?
Oh, not really.
Oh man, don't do that.